Assalamialaikum. How have you been? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I'll talk you how can we learn English. As English is a global language, we have to must know how to talk in English. Without talking in English, we will not be able to improve ourselves. This is the most important part of our life, to speak in English. Without speaking, we will not be able to reach our goal. So, come to the point, how can we learn English? If we want to learn English, then at first we have to think in English and we have to listen in English. If we improve our listening skills, then we will be able to making sentence in our head, and it will help you a lot, because if we do not listen English, then we will not be able to catch a native speaker word when they will talk to us. So if we want to catch the main word which he is trying to say us, then we have to improve our listening skills. So let's come to the point, how can we improve our listening skills? If we want to improve our listening skills, then at first we have to watch television, and that will be in English version. We have to watch news, and in English we have to hear the radio, we have to hear the English song. There is many ways to hear the English. So if we are really want to improve our listening, then we can, and we have different of ways to improve our listening skills. So without wasting our time, let's start improve our listenings, and that will help you a lot to improve our English. So next, come to the speaking. Speaking is the most important, because if we do not speak, then it will not be easy to learn, to understand a new language. Suppose you know the grammar, you know the word meaning, but you do not speak, then it will not be possible to speak in front of people. At first you have to practice in your home, in alone in your mind, that you can speak in English in front of audience, in front of your colleague, in front of a huge of people. So this is the main important part of learning a new language, to speak that language. Suppose you are living in Bangladesh, then if you want to learn English, then you have to practice in English speaking. Without speaking, you will not be able to speak in English, because you know the right grammar, you know the right word, you know you can make the right sentence, but you can't express. So the expressing English language, expressing is the most important to learn a new language. So you have to express. If you do not find any partner to whom you want to express your idea, then please talk to in your mind, talk yourself, or talk to in front of mirror. Talk like alone person, nobody cares at that time. You shouldn't have to care anyone at that time, because if you care anyone, then you will not be able to learn English. And if you shy, there is a common thing in our life that happens, that we shy to speak in English, and this is the main barrier to learn English. So if we want to overcome from this situation, then we have to overcome from our fear to speak, and fear to tell in front of people what other people think when we talk in English. At that time, what if I mistake in grammar, if I mistake in sentence, do not care anything what other people think about you. Just talk, and one day inshallah you will be better, you can make your better self. Okay, then without wasting your time, just speak in English in front of mirror or in your mind. So now come to the third number. If you want to now come to the third number, you have to read in English. Beside the listening and speaking, you also have to read English magazine, English newspaper, English textbooks, and that will help you in reading skills, and it's the most important part. But there is another part which is most important, very most important part, that will help you a lot to speak English. The part is thinking in English. Thinking English is a main part to learn a new language. That means to learn English language. If you think English, then you can speak English fluently. And stop translating. If you translate English in your head, that will be worst way to learning English. So stop translating in your head and just think in English and just speak out. If you do not have any idea how to think English, then I have uploaded a video, so go my channel and see this video, then you can understand how to think in English. Now the fourth part is writing English. You should practice writing. You should recap a day by writing or by speaking English, then it will be help you a lot. So by doing all this activity, you can improve your English. So I will talk you how to talk in English in my next video detailsly. Then this is for today. See you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.